Hello guys, this is Wanda's classroom. So today we're dealing with the topic numbers, and our question comes from a Zimse question paper which was written in 2015 for the November session, I think. So it reads like this. Question 1, find the value of open bracket 1 and 3/4 plus 2 and 1/3 close bracket divided by 5/6. So guys, as we said on our last video, it's always important to use this guy BOMDAS here. Let this guy be your friend when dealing with questions like this. Everywhere you see multiple signs, always turn to this guy BOMDAS. So it's gonna be as simple as this. This first thing says brackets. So do we have brackets here? Yes. So we are going to be dealing with what's in the brackets first. Then we'll end with this. We end dividing it by 5/6. So how are we going to deal with what's in the brackets here? So in the brackets, as you can see, these are mixed fractions, which is 1 and 3/4 plus 2 and 1/3. These are mixed fractions. So we're going to turn them to proper fractions first. So how do we do that? So first we put our denominator. Our denominator here is 4. So 4 here. Then for the numerator, we say 4 times 1, which is 4. Then 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So it's 7/4 is equivalent to 1 and 3/4. Plus, we take the denominator again here, 3. Then 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 1, 7, which is 7/3. Close our brackets, divided by 5/6. So now, to deal with this proper fractions, we will have to add these proper fractions. So how do we add them? We can add them like this. So we'll give them the same denominator first. So what is the common denominator of 4 and 3? Obviously we know 4 times 3 is equals to 12. So it's 12 here. We'll put 12 here. Close our bracket here. Then 4 into 12, that's 3. Then 3 times 7. 3 times 7, that's obviously 21. Plus 3 into 12, which is 4. 4 times 7, 28. Divided by 5/6. Go down and say 21 plus 28, that's obviously 49 all/12 divided by 5/6. 5/6. Now here we have 49/12 divided by 5/6. So what are we going to do? We can divide this by this like this. So here is where we use this. We call this change sign and invert. So how are we going to go through this? We're going to say like this, which is 49 all/12 divided by, so we're going to change divided by 5/6. Then we're changing this like this, 49/12. Come to the sign here, change sign, we put multiplication sign, then invert 6 all/5 now. So you see what happened here? This is where the magic happens. It's division to multiplication. Then right after you just changed your sign, make sure you don't forget to invert as well. So when it's like this, it's now symbol 6 into 6, 1, 6 into 12, 2, which is now 49 times 1, it's 49, all over 2 times 5, 10, then 10 into 49, we'll be left with our mixed fraction, which is 4 and 9 over 10. That's our answer, and that's our question. So guys, just make sure you have captured everything from the start to the bottom here. And one thing you should never forget, guys, whenever given that question, don't forget to use BOMDAS. Always use BOMDAS. BOMDAS, guys. And dealing with mixed fractions, always use improper fractions. Thank you. See you on the next video.